Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the Windows 11 taskbar in desktop. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to pin and unpin applications from your taskbar. Firstly, if you want to pin any application, what you have to do is just simply search for the application by going in the start menu over here, then search the application. Let's say for example VLC. And now to pin the application, just simply right click on the application, then just simply click pin to taskbar, and the application will be pinned. And now to unpin this application, just simply again right click on the pinned application, then just simply click unpin from taskbar. Now the second thing is the unique items that can be found over here, like the widgets, the start icon, the search icon, the window switching icon, and the chat icon. Now as you all know, all the versions of Windows had start button. Now if you click a start button, the normal start menu appears, but it also has a secret menu, and to access that, just simply right click on the start menu over here, and it will open up a new menu in which you will have most of the very important settings like task manager, settings, file explorer, disk management, computer management, device management, and etc. And you can also shut down or restart your system from right over here. And now for some reason, if you don't want these options like search, switching windows, chat, or maybe even widget, let me show you how you can remove this. So for doing that, just simply right click on the taskbar, then click on taskbar settings, and that will open the taskbar setting in personalization. Over here you will find 4 Dropbox items. What we are looking is in the first item. Just simply click that and open taskbar items. And over there you will find search, task view, widgets, and chat. And now what you want to remove from the taskbar, just simply disable from over here. Like if I want to disable chat, just simply turn it off and it will disappear. Do the same for widgets, it will be gone again. The task view, it will be gone, and for the search as well, they are all gone. But for me, I will just simply keep the task view. So if you want something, just simply again enable that. Now if we come to the bottom taskbar box, you will find a taskbar corner icons. So if I open that, you will find 3 types of item: pen menu, touch keyboard, and virtual keyboard. And now if I enable one of these, for example touch keyboard, you will see a virtual keyboard symbol appeared over here. And now if I click this, a virtual keyboard will appear. So this is basically used for touchscreen laptops or desktops, but I don't need this, so I will just simply cut it. Then I will just simply disable it from over here, and it will disappear. Now the third Dropbox is taskbar corner overflow. So if I open this, basically all the softwares that you see over here listed are the exact same softwares that you can find down over here. Now, for example, let's say disable the Google Chrome icon over here. It also disappeared from the list below, but it created a top facing arrow. So when I click that arrow, you will find that Google Chrome is now inside that box. So if I do this for multiple softwares like Logi G Hub and or Discord or many softwares like that, as you can see, I'm disabling all of them. And while I'm doing that, all of the icons from down here are also disappearing. Now as you can see, I've disabled all of the applications listed in the corner overflow Dropbox. And now if I open this top facing arrow, you will find that all of the applications that were lying around in the taskbar at the corner are now all listed in that particular box. So that's the function of the taskbar corner overflow. The fourth drop down box over here is taskbar behaviors. If I open this, you will find few options like taskbar alignment. So if I click the drop box in front of that, there will be 2 options, center and left. So currently it is set on center. So if I click on left, my taskbar icons will be shifted towards the left side, just like the previous version of the Windows 10, 8, and 7. That's how you can shift the icons towards the left side. But I don't want that, so I will just simply again choose center. And the next setting is automatically hide taskbar. So if I check this box over here, the taskbar will automatically hide. And to access the taskbar, I need to take my mouse down there and it will appear automatically. So for now, I will just simply disable this. And now the next option is show badges on taskbar app. So as you can see in my WhatsApp application, there are 3 messages that I haven't read and it's showing as a pop-up. So if I simply disable this option from over here, that badge will go away. If you want to see the badge, you can just simply again turn this on. Now the next setting is show taskbar on multiple displays. To see this, you must have multiple monitors. Only then you can access this particular setting. But I don't have this, so this is currently disabled for me. Now the last setting is show the desktop. So as you can see, it is currently enabled. So what this setting does is, if you take your mouse to the bottom right corner of your desktop, you will see a small line appearing and it says show desktop. So if you click that, it will take you to your desktop screen. And if you click that particular spot again, it will again bring back all the windows that were opened. So if you want this particular feature, you have to enable this option. If you don't want this, just simply disable it and it will not work again. But for me, I will just simply enable this. You can also do this exact same thing by just simply pressing Window plus D and it will do the same thing. You can again press Window plus D and it will bring back all the tabs that is just minimized. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is right on the settings application. What you have to do is just simply click on the personalization over here. Then scroll down and click on colors. Now just pick any color over here. Let's say for example, yellow gold. I'll just simply choose that. And as you can see, it is now my accent color. Now what you can do is just simply scroll down and enable this option which says show accent color on start and the taskbar. So if I enable this, it will automatically change the color for my taskbar. So that's how you can change the color of your taskbar. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you is how you can change your taskbar location from down to up. So for doing that, just simply open your start menu. Just simply search for registry, R-E-G, and it should appear registry editor. Just simply open that and press yes. Now just simply paste the link that is given to you in the description below and press enter. And it will take you to this place. And now what you have to do is just simply double click on setting over here. And when this pop-up window appears, what you have to do is just simply highlight the number 03 and just write 01 in your taskbar and just press OK. Then restart your Windows Explorer just by right clicking on your start icon, then open Task Manager. Then click on Windows Explorer, then click restart. And as you can see, now the taskbar has changed the location and it's now facing upward. And now if you want to go back to the default version of the taskbar, which is downwards over here, just simply again open settings. Then just simply change the value of 01 to 03 again. Then OK. Now go to your taskbar, find Windows Explorer by pressing W because it will be much faster that way. Then when you find Windows Explorer, just simply press restart. So as you can see, after restarting Windows Explorer, the taskbar came back to its default state. Now I'm going to show you how you can change the size of the icons in your taskbar or make your taskbar transparent or change the icon of your start menu. So for doing all of that, you will need a third-party application whose link will be provided in the description box. So just simply go there and click on that link and it will take you to a page something like this. And as of this moment when I'm recording this video, the current version is 3.5.6. So I will simply download this. It might be different for you. So just simply download this one. Then just simply save to a location. Then as you can see, the download size is pretty small. So after downloading is completed, just simply click on the application. Then it will show you two options, install for me, install for everyone. Just simply choose install for me. So after the installation is complete, it will look something like this and it will automatically pop up in your desktop screen. So after the application is out, you can just simply pin the application in your taskbar over here. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply choose Windows 11, 7 or 10. It is up to you. But for me, I will just simply go with proper 11. And after doing that, you have to go to taskbar. And over here, you will have multiple options. Like if you want the taskbar to be transparent, just simply enable dynamic transparency. And your taskbar will be completely transparent. Or if you want your taskbar in segments, just simply choose segments and your taskbar will be in segments. Meaning if you open any new format which is not in the taskbar, it will create a new segment. Let me show you an example. So if I open this text file, it will create a new segment over here. Let me show you. As you can see, created a new segment. Now let me show you how you can change the size of your taskbar. So for doing that, it's pretty simple. You will see a column called icon size. As you can see, it's currently in medium. Just simply click on the drop box and just choose small. As you can see, my taskbar size just decreased. But for me, I'll just simply go with the normal size. You can also increase the size if you want. And now if you want to change the icons of the start menu over here, you can choose one of the icons from over here and it will change it for you. So that's how you can change the icons of the start menu. You will find more options in the start menu over here where you can play around and make some changes. And you can also make changes in the Explorer over here, which will change the UI for you. So as you can see, the UI of the Windows is currently Windows 11. Now over here, I will choose Windows 10 UI. So just simply close the folder and then reopen this. As you can see, the UI just changed. Over here, you can also change the UI by using this software. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.